So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zulkarnain, and in today's session, we are going to cover up the installation part of the Docker. So, we will see the how to install Docker on Ubuntu server. So, here's my Ubuntu server on which we will install. Okay, so let's come on to the browser because we will follow the official document for installing the Docker. So, I will simply type Docker installation. So, if I scroll down, so here you will see the install Docker engine. Okay, I'll click on the Docker engine. So here are like some supported platforms on which you can install the Dockers. Okay. For the Windows, yes, we have. For the Windows, we have a Docker desktop on which you can install the. You can set up the Docker desktop on Windows, and you can simply use the Docker. Okay. So yes, we have Ubuntu. So I will click on the Ubuntu, and here are some prerequisites. If I scroll down, here are like some supported OS versions on which you can easily install the Docker. If I scroll down, so yeah, here's clearly mentioned uninstall the old versions. Okay, for uninstalling the old version, so here's a command mentioned which you can run. Okay, it is clearly mentioned here. Run the following command to uninstall all the conflict packages. So what basically this command will do? So this will find out the Docker packages. If there are like some packages already installed on your server, so it will find them and it will remove them. Okay, so I will simply copy this command and execute on my Ubuntu server. So I will simply click on yes. So if there are like some packages related with the Docker, so it will remove them. So if I scroll down, so here are like some installation methods. For the yes, Linux, if you have a Linux in GUI version, so you can also download the Docker desktop, okay, on which you can use it. And the second one is the installation Docker engine from the APT package repository. So here is already mentioned, we are going to use this method. Okay, install it manually. Okay, so if I scroll down, we will use this method to install the Docker on our Ubuntu server. Okay, so I will copy simply it from here to here. What it will do, it will basically add the Docker official JPG key on your server. I will simply paste here and execute them. Okay, now yes, I will copy second one from here to here. So what it will do, it will basically add the repository to your APT source. Yeah, it will take some time. You need to wait here. Now I will type yes. Then I will execute the second one. Now it is yes. Then I will yes, execute the apt update command once again. It will basically update the package repository. Yes, come on to the installation part of the Docker repository. To the install the latest version of the Docker, so you can simply copy this command from here to the here. Okay, and you can execute here. Yeah, I will simply type py and enter. Here notes. Okay, after installation, verify the Docker engine running. Okay, so we need to verify whether our Docker engine is running or not. Okay, no issue. Now I will simply execute the second one command, systemctl status docker. Okay, now my Docker is running. Yes, if you find your Docker is not running, so you can simply execute this command. Otherwise, you don't need. So let's run our first container using Docker run hello world. Okay. Yeah, it is finding the image on locally. Then now it is working. Hello from Docker, and here you can see the output of it. Okay. So here's the basic installation of the Docker. That's how you can install the Docker on Ubuntu server. Like the same on another also, because if you have another platform, so you can go through this documentation and you can install the Docker. Okay. On next video, we are going to cover up the Docker basic commands. Means what are the commands do we have in Docker and how we can execute over the server. Okay. So yeah, Docker PS and yes, we will be covering and everything related with the command on next topic. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe also. Thank you so much.